Let's talk about data discovery. In Decube, the data catalog is designed to be the central place where data teams and business users can easily discover, understand, and trust data before using it for reporting, analysis, or decision making. Instead of guessing what a table contains or whether it's reliable, the catalog gives you visibility into what the data is, how healthy it is, and how it's used. In the catalog page, you can search by table name, schema name, or even dashboards. You can narrow down your results by using the filter on the left. You can filter by data sources, schema, tags and classifications, and even custom attributes that are created by users and more. This makes it easier to quickly locate the exact data set you're looking for, even in large data environments. One powerful feature that we've built into the catalog, which is the data quality and incident. Right inside the catalog, you can immediately see if an asset has open data quality incidents. This helps the user avoid blindly using problematic data and instead focus on data sets that are healthy and trustworthy. Let's navigate to the user table. And here on the screen is the asset details page where you can see an overview of your columns, asset summary, and any custom attributes that are attached to this asset. In the schema tab, you will have an overview of your table. You can see information such as data type, tags as classifications added, link terms, descriptions, and custom attributes created by users. This is also where teams can add descriptions to columns, apply tags, and data classifications defined in the governance module. Whenever a change needs to be made, team members have to go through a change request workflow to ensure there are no conflict between team members. You'll be able to see metrics collected by our profiler in the statistics tab. Metrics such as mean and max, the string rows, number of null values, and etc. This gives you a quick understanding of the data distribution before you use it for analysis or modeling without having to write any SQL query. Once classifications are applied, they also affect how data is previewed. When you switch to the Preview tab, you'll notice that sensitive columns such as names or emails are masked. This is controlled by Decube's data governance policies, where you can define how different types of sensitive data should be masked, ensuring privacy while still enabling discovery. In the Incidents tab, you will be able to see the incidents that were triggered by the monitors in this table. Over here, you can see the incident details, incident type, and also incident time when it was triggered. You can also navigate to the incident details page when you click on the incidents to investigate further. Another tab which is correlated to the incident tab is the monitor tab, where you can view all the monitors that are created for this table. Over here, you can see the asset name, monitor config, when it last ran status, and etc. Lineage tab helps you understand where data comes from and where it goes. This is especially useful when troubleshooting incidents or understanding the impact of data changes. You can visually see upstream and downstream assets connected to this table, giving you better context and confidence when working with data. Once you click on the plus button to expand, you can see the table-to-table relationship and also column type relationship as well. We also allow users to manually add lineages as well by clicking the Make Changes button here. You can add upstream or downstream lineages. And of course, users need to go through the change request with a reviewer before making any changes. Finally, the documentation tab where you can add additional information in this tab for users to have a detailed understanding of the assets. The Feed tab, on the other hand, allows users to ask questions, leave comments, and discuss the asset directly in the catalog. This creates a shared understanding of data and encourages collaboration between data teams and business users. Asset owners are automatically notified so questions don't get lost.